Hi guys, it's your girl Mphoentle. If you are new to my channel, welcome to the Nice Things in Life. And if you are a recent subscriber, a regular baby, over to you. So before we get into this video, can you please like, comment, and subscribe so that you can be part of my lovely family. But enjoy this vlog. I'll see you at the end.
Sipping my kombucha on a rooftop, smoking blue dream on my comments.
I got to school. I haven't even greeted you, but I have class in about 15 minutes or so. So back to school. But it's introductions mainly today. So yeah.
Set my soul when I live God. I be in the bag, levitating through meditation. In the girl, get up. No, confrontation. Fuck a limitation. In the girl, get up. Somehow I know it, I have everything.
I'm drained already, yes. Come already, like, yeah. I'm already drained. Long life.
Blame it on the code, blame it on the say got you feeling low. Y'all wouldn't believe I'm on drugs and forsaken. They won't pay me, so they blame it on Satan. Blame it on my label, blame it on my team. End of the day, everything is on me. Miss back.
Ooh, guys, I don't even know if this thing really serves as a mic, but basically the lecture didn't show up. Ghosted. No announcement, no nothing. So I just came to my favorite spot to come and sit and read and try and edit the vlog while I wait for my mom. Well, to make time pass so that my mom can come fetch me, because she was not gonna have it. I came to class for 15 minutes and then Rebella Khai, she was going to crash out. So I just came here to chill and read. But I'm gonna go home now. I think my mom's gonna make me drive. Ish. Dinner nerves, but at the same time I don't. So
Asa baby, asa baby, asa baby, ay asa baby, Sky, mama baby.
this is happening again. Like literally the last time. No. Literally the last time they dropped me off here. It's happening again. Anyway.
Asa baby, asa baby, asa baby, asa baby. Ay baby, zamsi kalabanga, sati very bad. Kuchinga, zabitori banrata, kujezi bantaba, kefasitelisi palauto, malanga gerata maswat, kaba di bad. Intile makosa, gileta di gagas, marabad, atabeban, at the top of fast sky, mama baby.
While I was fighting for my life, waiting for my mom, questioning why has she abandoned me. Turns out she's been waiting for me. Girl, how am I gonna know that you're here if you're not telling me? Like, my goodness. But anyway, let's go home. I suspect I'm gonna drive. I need to start more road. Okay, not really. I've been painted, man. Lord have mercy upon me. Literally.
thought that I was dreaming when you said you loved me. The start of nothing, I had no chance to prepare. I couldn't see you coming. The start of nothing, ooh, I could hate you now. It's quite alright to hate me now. But we both know that deep down, the feeling still deep down is good. If I could see the walls, I could see it faking. If you
Hi. I have class. Okay, I have class right now. So I'm going to class. As we speaking, class is starting right now. When I say right now, I mean right. But at least my class is just here, so that's okay. Let's go to class.
no matter what I did, my ways wouldn't dip back then. Everything sucked back then. We were friends. I thought that I was dreaming when you said you loved me.
I'm good, how are you?
The start of nothing, ooh, I can hate you now. It's quite alright to hate me now.
I don't think I'm going to be able to talk to you when I get home. Truly speaking, and I'm so hungry. I haven't eaten over there. I haven't got my nails done. How cute. Yeah, but I'm eating because I'm so hungry. My class ended at 5:45. This is gonna be a thing now. Weekly. It's almost going at 5:45. And then I still have to get home. You know what the lecture said to us? It's like, this module is very difficult, but you can conquer because you guys are intelligent. That's why you're here. What a way to start an introduction. I just remembered something. But yeah, I don't know if you can see me or not. Honestly, I'm walking on lover's lane. Yeah, anyway, on the point. Oh, look at the maid. My mom says she's here. It's like 6:30. Lord have mercy upon me. Oh. This is the time I'm basically going to be leaving campus every week. Second semester, yeah, hectic already. Like, why did I have to be the one that gets the 6 p.m. classes? Like, anyway, see, that's the library, and then that's like the law building. Do you see how pretty? Law building, library. Okay. What do I freeze? I'm freezing today. Let me take a pic.
I just wanna be your man, girl. So, gotta make you understand, girl.
It's the way you give your hand and your style is blows away. When you walk into the room, mama caught me staring, staring at you. But they just better show up. It's the tattoo on the back, and the brand on your back.
actually going out with my friends today, and I just remembered I actually never do an intro. How rude of me. And I also never show you my outfit of the day. Again, how rude of me. So I wanted to show you what I'm wearing. Nothing crazy. I'm gonna stand in a bit though. Can you see? Yeah, this is all I can do. So these are normal jeans. Yeah, I should probably tell you where everything is from. I don't have my shoes on right now, but I'm gonna tell you the rest. So I have these jeans that are from Fashion World, this jersey that's from Mr. Price, this inside jersey that's my dad or my brother's, and then I have like that crop top thingy, long sleeve thingy. I don't know where that's from, if I'm being quite honest. And yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna film the night, if I'm being honest. But again, sizobonana. If I don't, askis. If I do, which I doubt I do, I don't like really filming when I'm out with my friends, because I barely see them, and I'm just busy. I take pictures or videos of the drink if the drink is cute or the food. So I'll see. I'll think about it. I'm watching Jennifer Lewis interview with Keke Palmer. I want everybody in this world to know that the podcast, Yeah Baby, This is Keke Palmer, it means so much to me. This episode means so, actually every episode means so much to me. Since I've started watching these episodes, it's bar after bar after bar after bar, tens after tens after tens. That's the type of shit I'm trying to be on. Like, if I'm releasing vlogs, I want to release tens of the tens of the, like, I don't want to release 2 sloppy things. I don't want to release a sloppy thing for nothing, honey. Like, I'm not even joking. I don't want to release anything sloppy. Hence, I had 2 vlogs and they were sloppy. They were just like quick snacks, edited, and I'm like, this is not who I am. I don't want to be known for this. I'm not a sloppy person, and my channel is not going to reflect that. So those videos are private, but I want everybody and their mama to know that this podcast means a lot to me. Podcasts in general mean a lot to me. Like, I listen to more podcasts than I listen to music. I'm not really a music freak. I'm more of a podcast freak. Let's pretend that there is absolutely nothing wrong with my camera. Or whatever the hell is wrong with this camera, because ever since I went, there's something wrong with my camera. Back and front, like, it's not appealing. I don't know what you guys did, but I count your days. Anyway, guys, good morning. I'm actually looking tired. Yesterday I went to the mall, and I thought I would take you guys with me to close up the vlog, but then I was overstimulated, irritated, and everything. Like, it just reminded me, one, I don't like shopping with anybody. If I'm shopping, I want to be alone and just doing my thing. That's me. And I was with my little sister. I don't mind, but I was getting irritated all the while. And at some point I was hungry, and then we went to buy food, and then we also bought ice cream. Terrible. 200 wasted. I'm still heartbroken because that food was terrible, that ice cream was terrible. The ice cream was 270 rand. If it was somebody else's money, I wouldn't be this heartbroken, but it's mine. It is gone. But anyway, I went shopping yesterday and did some errands. But anyway, I wanted to show you everything that I got. I don't know if this vlog is long enough for me to close it, because I really want to close it and start a new one. But before I do that, I want to show you what I got yesterday, since I didn't take you with me. So I'm right. I'll show you. I don't know if I have everything, because my sister left with some of the things, because she has a hockey dine situation. So I lent her a pair of earrings and the fur coat. It's not really like a fur coat. It's just like a fur you have, you know, like something that you would like throw on when you go to lunch or something. I don't know, girl, whatever you feel like, but let me show you.
Yeah. I love it when my life's like this. I love it when my life's like this. My life's like this. I love it when 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 my life's like this. My life's like this. I love it.
If you wanna show me that you love me, or you wanna do something for me, take me shopping, please. Thank you.
Life's like this. When my life's like this. I love it when my life's like this.
I also got the fur coat situation thingy, but it's not here, girl, so I can't show you. I can't show you. And then this. Oh, who got this wig? I just bought it from a random lady. This thing for 80 bucks. She could have scammed me, but I don't think it was a scam. I bought this. Ignore the bonnet. Oh, let's do this. But let's pretend like we're not. But do you see? Go see. Cute. For 80 bucks. Oh, Mr. Crazy. We bought shades. Right. Okay. This is for number 4. This is for my cousin. That actually look really pretty. Okay, I think it's his own. This is for my sister. My sister picked this up herself. Anyway. Oh no, that was my brother. The one before I said my sister. This one is my cousin's. Let's save the best for the last. And mine. Got these from a surprise. Oh. And I have something similar on my Shein wish list. Yeah, okay. Actually, these are mine. I got them from Mr. Price. This came. I only got 2 things there. Everyday stable. Everyday must use. I don't know why it's not focusing, but it's the Essence Clear Volume Gloss. This is other one that my cousin has. Yeah. It kind of makes your lips like plump, like yababanyana, like. But I'm an iron. And then I've never used this before, but I bought this. I don't know why it's not focusing, but It's the Nature Nourishment Rose Water. I saw that some people use it as a setting spray. Some people just use it for 𝑭𝑠𝒑𝒂𝒂𝒄 and stuff. So I wanted to try it. It actually smells nice. Ngari the waves. Because when you do it, you camera pay to get it. Next, we have 𝐵𝒂𝒕𝒉𝒅𝒂𝒚. I actually swore down that I'm never gonna buy from 𝐵𝒂𝒕𝒉𝒅𝒂𝒚 anymore because most of my earrings, I get most, I mean like 99.9999% of my earrings from 𝐵𝒂𝒕𝒉𝒅 are from 𝐵𝒂𝒕𝒉𝒅, sorry. And guess what? These are my only 2 earrings, and I got this one because Nikki Lopez of 𝐵𝒂𝒕𝒉𝒅, right? And I got this one because I bought it also 𝐵𝒂𝒕𝒉𝒅. These are my only 2 earrings that I have left. And in Mphoentle, if you know me, you know I have like a whole bag of earrings. And I saw that I'm never gonna buy it, but yeah. But my friend also put me on a store called 𝑠₌. We can buy stainless steel. So I actually forgot about it. I should have done that with this order. I'll do it with the next order. Anyway, let me show you what we got. Because lucky girl syndrome follows me literally everywhere, and people are obsessed with just giving me stuff. And I'm so pretty, I'm privileged, and close my mouth like it. Whatever y'all say, whatever y'all say. I got these for free, like everything in this bag I got it for free. So basically the lady had these in like a weird plastic. I got a plastic banking, you know what I'm talking about. So I had seen this, right? It's so pretty. I want you to actually see it. I was like, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Because I picked it up. This is me. I see there. Pick it up. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Do you sell this? Because it was a weird package. I'm thinking it's one of those things that are gonna be hanged up because I did Regisa and blah blah. And she's like, no, it's for free. I'll give it to you. And I'm like, so I thought she was only gonna give me this. No, she gave me these rings also, these earrings also. There's also silver ones, but my sister took them that I'm gonna take back. But yeah, she also gave me these. She gave me this bangle thing, and then she gave me this, just like really pretty. So I think this is like, alright. What a staple. It's giving low-key Chanel with this. So yeah, I got all of these for free, and I'm so grateful. And I'm like, I love people like that. Anyway, I'm so tired actually. I was like, and can I go get the mic? I bought mic so that I'm audible, but someone need so I'm going to do schoolwork. I want to start a new vlog, so this is me high-key closing this vlog off, and I hope I have enough footage to be able to close this vlog off. And even if I don't, and it's a short vlog, it's just that I do have a new vlog that I want to start, and I want to be on top of my game. Like last week, after hearing some bad news, it threw me off, hence I didn't vlog for the rest of the week. And I actually had an exciting week, and I didn't participate in that week at all because of the bad news. And then yeah, so now despite that, I want to actively participate in this new week and actually vlog. I'm back like 𝑚gogodla, or whatever you guys say. Anyway, we have unfortunately come to the end of this vlog. I'll see you next time on my next videos. I'm gonna your siblings, your cousins, your grandmother, your grandfather, your auntie, your uncle, and everybody to come this side and subscribe and like and comment. Don't be snacks. I just watch. Like, did you like? Did you like? Like right now, did you like? Okay. Did you really? Also, did you subscribe? Like, don't just did you subscribe? Did you share it? Like, plug somebody on some good things in this life. Like, why do you want to be on the good stuff, enjoying the good, nice things alone? Like, share. Anyway, town. I'm actually back with town. I'll see you guys next time on my next video. 𝑵𝒂𝒕𝒊𝒂𝒏.